Check out the link in the description below and you can find a worksheet that goes along with this lesson. Welcome back to Ukulele Corner. I hope you're enjoying applying scales to the CAGED system on the ukulele. We've looked at the key of C and a movable C major chord shape and scale that relates to that. Now let's look at the A shape. So play an A chord in open position. Remember how we made that into a movable shape? We played a B flat, B, C at the 3rd fret. Now if you play this particular shape, a few of the shapes we're going to look at start below where the open strings would be, and then they work their way back up to the root. And so it would be played very high up the neck. In this case, the A scale shape that we're going to base a lot of motion on would be way up high, up from the 11th fret, and you have a worksheet that will have those notes worked out. But what I want to try to do, let's play it in an easier position to play. Let's play a C chord using the A shape at 3rd fret. This actually, it's very important not to overlook this shape because it's one of the easiest to play and it is absolutely beautiful and easy to remember. It functions great moving 1 fret down from where you play the shape. Then you play the scale that goes along with it. So I move 1 fret down. I'm using the low tuning here, low G tuning. And the root is on the 5th fret. That's where the note C is. And with the reentrant tuning, you're just going to hear that high C, and it's great as well. So you can use that. I'll demonstrate that in a bit. So let's play a C shape. 5, 4, 3, 3. That's the first step. Make sure you have the shapes memorized, the basic chord shapes. And remember how with the C shape we thought of them as numbers, the fingering? This fingering, you back up 1 fret. So we're at 3rd position, back up to 2nd position, starting from the 4th string. Our number system here, very easy to remember. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4 on the high string. Our root note is on where the pinky plays on the 4th string or the 2nd finger plays on the high string. So I'll play the note C. I'll play the scale. And it can go down a few steps below the root. As I mentioned, from A, we can't go down all the way there. There's another one kind of in between, a scale shape that we can look at. But for A, you'd have to move it up very high in order to be able to come down here. But remember, if I'm playing in the key of A, I have all the other 4 shapes to help me. So the whole fingerboard is going to be connected. I have lots of other opportunities to play an A scale. So I'm going to go very slowly in C. 2nd fret of the 4th string. 4th fret. Root tone is going to be playing the 5th fret. 1, 3, 4. Then next string, 1, 3, 4 again. Same frets on the 3rd string. 2nd fret, 4th and 5th. Then 2nd finger plays on the 2nd string. 3rd fret, pinky plays 5th. Then 1st finger plays the 2nd fret. 2nd finger plays the 3rd fret. That's the root again. Then you can go up to the pinky on the 5th. Let's end back at that root. So if I play a C open or this A shape, beautiful C scale using the A shape. And I use this all the time. I love improvising with this and arranging music, writing music. It's one of my favorite shapes to use. Let's, for example, if I move it up 2 frets, I'm going to do a D shape, or D chord. There we go. I'm ready for action, for playing melody now in the key of D. I'll do a progression. The melody notes I'm playing are based on that chord shape. So that's an example of using that shape, playing a chord progression around the A shape, using the A chord shape, and I could do the same sort of thing in any key by moving it to different places. Let's say if I played in B, I'm going 1, 3, 4, 5 is a simple progression that I came up with. 1 chord, goes to 3 chord, 4 to 5. Here's a scale. I just played in the key of B. I didn't think of a single note name. I thought of chords and I thought of relative positions and fingerings that bring out the chords. And I played the scale shape to bring out melody along the way. So it's a great combination when you start making those connections between scales and chords. So that is the A shape. Once again, let's try it in C. So we'll just to remember the shape, go back to third position, play your A shape, 5, 4, 3, 3. Back up a fret, then play the pattern, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Then go back to your root, is at the 5th fret, place the shape in there and you see it fits perfectly. So try to memorize that, start in the key of C, and then move around to other positions. Remember your root is on the highest pitch that you play on the 4th string, and then where the 2nd finger plays on the 1st string. That's home base. That'll help you find where those root notes are. Okay, so have fun with the A shape. I'll be back with the next one, and we're going to look at the G shape.